Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time clicking on my video, hi, you're welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make lip gloss at home using Vaseline. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this beautiful lip gloss using Vaseline, please give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch the video to the end. Very first ingredient we will need is Vaseline, and this is the petroleum jelly Vaseline, 100% pure petroleum jelly. If you have any other Vaseline, feel free to use it. So far as it works well on you, there's no problem with that. So this is what I have, and that is what I will be using. The next ingredient I will be using is coconut oil, and this is the organic virgin coconut oil. If you have any one, you can as well use it. The next ingredient I'll be using is aloe vera gel. I will need my mixing bowl to mix everything together. This is what I will be using. I'll be using this to put the lip gloss into the tube. I'll be using this lip gloss tube to store my lip gloss inside. If you don't have this flavor, that's fine. Just make what you like with what you have. But since I have this flavor, this is the strawberry flavor, and that's what I'll be using to give my lip gloss that beautiful flavor. If you don't have it, don't just worry, just use what you have and get what you want. So first thing, I'm going to open my Vaseline. Yeah, I know we have some pink colors inside. That is because I was making lip balm the other day and I got that into it. If you haven't watched my video on how to make your own lip balm at home using Vaseline, please go check that out. So I have that quantity of Vaseline in there. The way my Vaseline is looking like, I think I need to like warm it up a little bit because it's somehow sticky, and if you warm it up a little bit, it won't be this sticky and your lip gloss will be so nice and beautiful. So for that reason, I'm going to warm it up for about 30 seconds in the microwave. If you don't have microwave, don't be like, oh, I can't make it because I don't have microwave. Just boil your water, and as it is inside this bowl, just place it inside the water for about a minute or more and it will open up. So guys, I thought I was going to melt it for 30 seconds, but trust me, I used 1 minute 30 seconds to melt it, and this is the consistency I was looking for. Next, I'm going to go in with my coconut oil. Yes, I love it this way. I'm going to add it to the Vaseline. Yes, and I'm going to mix the two together. Next, I'm going to go in with my aloe vera gel. Mix everything up. Next, I'm going to go in with the flavor. It smells so good. Now I'm going to mix everything together. I think I need to go in with more coconut oil. At this stage, I'm going to use this my mixer. I got it from Amazon to ease my work. So right now I'm going to use my syringe. Okay, I have this quantity inside. I'm going to put it inside this and push it. Now I'm going to put this other one. And I'm going to close it with this other one. Our lip gloss is ready. This is how my lip gloss looks like. Yeah, I know it's looking so nice and lovely. I know you love it as well as I do. If you like the lip gloss or if you enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family so that someone somewhere can try this as well. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.